Hello everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 12 of class 9, that is Heron's formula. Till now we have studied how to find out the area of a triangle. Suppose you are given a triangle. Let's say the vertices as A, B, C. This is 10 centimeter. This is base. And the height is, let's say, 4 centimeter. Now we can find out the area of triangle ABC as half into base into height. So what is base here? 10 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter, and what is height here? That is 4 centimeter. So we can cancel it out. 5 4s are 20, so 20 centimeter square. When base and height of a triangle is given to you, height means your altitude. That means area of triangle can be found out by half into base into height. What if the sides are given to you? If suppose the sides of the triangle, there are 3 sides of a triangle, and if the sides of a triangle they are given to you, how can you find out the area of the triangle? So in this chapter we will study, if the sides of the triangle are given to you, how can you find the area of the triangle? So that formula for finding the area of the triangle, if the sides are given to you, is given by the mathematician Heron, that is area of triangle is equal to, let's say we have a triangle ABC. Let the sides are A, B and C. So how can you find out the area of the triangle is, that is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where your S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter of a triangle. Semi-perimeter means you can find out the perimeter of a triangle and then you have to divide it by 2. Semi means half. So that is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A plus B plus C is your perimeter divided by 2. So you will get S, that is semi-perimeter of a triangle, and A, B and C, they are the sides of a triangle. So if the sides of a triangle are given to you, you can find out the area of the triangle by under root, that means square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where your S is the semi-perimeter of a triangle, means half the perimeter, okay, and A, B and C, they are the sides of a triangle. Let's proceed with some of the examples. Let's say you are given a triangle. Let's say vertices are A, B and C. Let's say 32 meter, 24 meter and 40 meter. Now you are given the sides as 32 meter, 24 and 40 meter. So let's say A is equal to 32 meter, B is equal to 24 meter and C is equal to 40 meter. So to find out the area of the triangle, first of all we will find S, that is semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. So what you will get, 32 plus 24 plus 40 divided by 2. So what you will get here, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 2 5 plus 4 is 96 by 2. That means 48 meter. Now you have got the value of S. Now area of triangle ABC, that is under root S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So what is the value of S? You have 48. Then S minus A. So 48. What is the value of A? Is 32 into 48 minus 24 into 48 minus 40. So what you will get here, under root 48 into 48 minus 32. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And this is 8. Now what we will do, we need to find out the square root of this number. So now make the factors of each number. 48 के factors बनाओ, 16 के, 24 के, 8 के. We have already studied the prime factorization in our previous classes. So we have to do here prime factorization. So make the factors of 48. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So we have make the factors of 48 as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 16, the factors of 16 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now make the factors of 24, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now make the factors of 8 as 2 into 2 into 2. Now we need to make we have already made the factors. Now what we will do, we will find out the square root of this. So in case of square root, what we do is we make the pairs of the factors. So what is here? We have got how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. We have got 14 2's here. So the square root of 14 2's is, we will take 7 2's out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now how many 3's? 1 and 2. So 1 3 will be out. So this is the square root of this whole numbers. Fine. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 is 64. Now 64 into 6, 6 4s are 24, 36, so 384. So we have got 384 meter square, because it is area, so the unit will be either meter square or centimeter square. What is given to you in meters, so your unit must be meter square. Now let's take some other example. Let's say you need to find the area of equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeter. Now you need to find out the area of the equilateral triangle and side is given to you, that is 10 centimeter. Now you must know the concept of equilateral triangle. What is the concept of equilateral triangle? Is all the sides, they are equal. That means A, B and C, they are 10 centimeter. So A is equal to 10 centimeter, B will also be 10 centimeter and C will also be 10 centimeter. Now what will be S? That is A plus B plus C, that means 10 plus 10 plus 10 by 2, that means 30 by 2, that means 15 centimeter. Fine. Now we need to find out the area of equilateral triangle, that is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now, what is S? That is 15. Then 15 minus 10. All the sides are 10. So 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10. Now, 15 into 15 minus 10 is 5. Again 5, again 5. Now, make the factors of this number 15. The factors of 15 will be 3 into 5. Then 5, then 5 and then 5. Now take the square root of it. See, how many times you are getting 5? 4 times. So 2 will be taken out to get the square root of this number, and 3 has no pair. So it will be under the root only. So 5 5s are 25 under root 3 centimeter square. So this is the answer. So this is how we can find out the area of the equilateral triangle. Now if suppose you are given, find the area of the isosceles triangle of side this and of equal side this and unequal side. We know that in case of isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and one side it is unequal. So we can find out the area of isosceles triangle also. Now let's move to some more examples. Let's say you are given, find the area of the triangle of sides 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and its perimeter is 32 centimeter. Let's say you need to find out the area of the triangle. You are given the two sides and you are given the perimeter. But you are now, whenever you need to find the area of the triangle, you need three sides. But here two sides are given to you. So can you find out the third side? Yes, we can find out, because perimeter is sum of all the sides. So we are having two sides, we can find out the third side. So let the third side be C. Because we are taking A, B, C, so we can take the third side as C. Now perimeter is given as 32 centimeters. So perimeter is sum of the length of all the sides. So 8 centimeter plus 11 centimeter plus C is equal to 32 centimeter. So 11 plus 8 is 19 centimeter plus C is equal to 32 centimeter. So C is equal to 32 centimeter minus 19 centimeter. So what you will get? 3 and 1. That is 13 centimeter. So you have got the value of C. Now you have all the three sides. A is 8 centimeter, B is 11 and C is 13 centimeter. So for that, first you will find semi-perimeter. So what is semi-perimeter? Is half of the perimeter. You are already given the perimeter, so you can divide it directly by 2. So you have got 16 centimeter. Now to find out the area of triangle is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is S here? That is 16. Then A is 8. So 16 minus 8, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 13. So 16 into 16 minus 8 is 8. 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 13 is 3. Now make the factors. The factors of 16 is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Similarly for 8, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 into 5 into 3. Now let's check out how many 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 2's are there. So we can take out 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now all will be inside the root 2, 5 and 3 because they are not making pairs. So 2 2's are 4 2's are 8 under root 2 5's are 10, 10 3's are 30. So this is centimeter square. So answer is 8 under root 30 centimeter square. So this is how we can find out the area of the triangle if two sides are given to you and perimeter is given to you. Now let's take one more example which is related to the ratio of the sides of a triangle. Let's take an example. If you are given the ratio of the sides, let's say A ratio B ratio C is 3:5:7 and you are given the perimeter as 300 meter. Now you need to find out the area of the triangle. So it is given the ratio of the sides. So first of all we have to consider, let the sides of triangle be 3x, 5x and 7x. Now you have got the sides. Now the sum of all the sides is equal to perimeter. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300 meter. So 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 5 is 8 plus 7 is 15. 15x is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 upon 15, that is 20. So you have got the value of x as 20 meters. Now you can substitute the value of x in sides. So sides will be, first will be 3 into 20, that is 60 meters. Then 5 into 20, that is 100 meters. And then 7 into 20 is 140 meter. Now you have got the sides. You can easily find out the area of the triangle. So first of all we will find S, half of perimeter. So 300 divided by 2, that is 150 meter. Now find out the area of triangle, that is under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now what is S? 150. What is A? We have 60. What is B? We have 100. And what is C? We have minus 140. Now we will subtract. So 150 under root 150 into 150 minus 60, that is 15 minus 6 is 9. So you have got 90 into 50 into 10. Now we need to make the factors. So how we will make the factors? See, 150 directly you can make the factors. We can write 150 as 15 into 10. So what are the factors of 15 is 3 into 5. And then we are left with 10. So factors of 10 is 2 into 5. Similarly here 9, that is 3 into 3. And then we are left with 10. So 2 into 5. Similarly here 5 into 2 into 5. And then 10 also has 2 into 5, that is square root. Now count the number of 3's, count the number of 2's, count the number of 5's. See, 3, 1, 2, 3 are there. 3 3's are there. So we can take out 1 3 and we will put 1 3 in square root. Now see 5's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 5 into 5 into 5. Now count the number of 2's. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many? 4 2's. So 2 into 2, that is under root 3. Now find out the value of this. 3 3 into 5 is 15, 15 5s are 75, or you can directly find out 5 I have got 1500 root 3, it is in meters, so meter square. So this is how we can find out the area of the triangle. If the ratio of sides is given to you, you have to consider the sides first. Let it be 3x, 5x, 7x, or if ratio is given as 1:2:3, so you can consider it as 1x, 2x and 3x. Perimeter is given to you. Find the value of x, substitute the value of x in sides, and then you will get the sides, all the 3 sides, and then you know the formula for finding the area of triangle, that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c under root. So you can easily find out the area of the triangle by Heron's formula when you are given the sides of a triangle. So thank you everyone. Hello everyone, I hope you all like my videos. If you have any kind of doubt, you can write it in the comment box. I will clear your doubts through my videos. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.